Hello students, welcome back. So we'll continue with the same topic, heart. Just revising brief structure of heart. Heart have 4 chamber. It is a muscular organ, slightly tilted at left side, present between two lungs and location in chest cavity, okay, or thoracic cavity. So the basic structure of heart having 4 chamber, 2 upper, 2 lower, right? 2 upper chamber is known as right atrium and left atrium, lower is known as ventricles. Okay, there is a valve in between tricuspid and it is bicuspid, right? Okay, so today we will continue with the blood flowing. Okay, how this blood, in which manner this blood will flow. So what is the root of this? Basically what will happen? Okay, basically there in our heart there are 2 types of blood. One is impure and one is pure. Or you can write deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. Okay, so deoxygenated we will talk on first. In human heart, the blood circulation is always double circulation. Why it is double circulation? We will continue next on. We will see first the root. Okay, so the deoxygenated from the whole body comes through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava in this right atrium. Whatever I am drawing with blue pen, that is impure. Okay, and whatever I will draw with a red one, that is pure or oxygenated. So this deoxygenated blood comes from our whole body, from superior vena cava and inferior vena cava to right atrium. From this right atrium, it is transported to right ventricle through this is known as tricuspid valve. Now what will happen? After coming up from here to here, this blood will transport to this way, right? This is known as pulmonary artery, right? So we will write on first deoxygenated blood through vena cava comes into right atrium to right ventricle through tricuspid valve. Okay, so right from this right ventricle it will goes in lungs. Now remember this, lungs. Okay, here right ventricle to lungs. See over here, right ventricle to this, here suppose it is a lungs, right? So where it will go? Through this tube, that is known as pulmonary artery. I told you in earlier session that artery and vein, artery carries always oxygenated blood and vein carries always deoxygenated blood, right? So these are the exception only. Pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein are only exception which controversies. Means pulmonary artery is carrying what? Deoxygenated. Blue one is deoxygenated over here. And pulmonary vein will come up with red. That means oxygenated blood. Okay. So here right ventricle to lungs through pulmonary artery. Then lungs through. Okay. So we will go with right ventricle to this pulmonary artery. So what is the second line? I told you that heart is between 2 lungs, right? So this over one lung and another, just imagine there is another lung. So this will flow like this. Okay, so it is going in lungs only. And then what will happen? Pulmonary artery here in lungs. In lungs, blood will exchange to O2 CO2 and becomes oxygenated. Oxygenated blood then comes into left atrium to left ventricle through bicuspid valve and then left ventricle to, where is the root? This is over here. So left ventricle to through aorta in different part of our body. This is how the blood will circulate. We will write on this. Then lungs to left atrium to left ventricle to body parts. Okay, so lungs to left atrium through pulmonary vein, then left atrium to left ventricle through what? Bicuspid valve, and then here through. Okay, so this is a basic route what the blood is following. Just remember this wherever you go. Okay, so this is why the circulation of blood is known as double circulation. Why it is known as double circulation? Because in our heart the entry of blood it is twice. Where first time from vena cava enters the blood in right atrium, and second time through pulmonary vein in left atrium. That's why our heart is always flowing double circulation, right? So this is known as the structure of heart, or you can say double circulation. And another thing is there is no mixing of this deoxygenated as well as oxygenated blood anywhere because of this 4 chamber and 4 valves. So you can see over here first, second, another one is third and fourth. You will study in higher classes. So this is a basic structure. I forgot to mention you this function of valve. This tricuspid and bicuspid, what will happen? After coming from right atrium to right ventricle, the blood will pass on to pulmonary artery. So during this time, this tricuspid will close up. Why this close up? If it is open, then in pressure, what will happen? It will reverse out. So the function of valve is basically to prevent the direction, okay, or maintain the direction of blood. So this is the structure of heart. Okay.